Out-of-date coupons and old magazines, USB cords and movies that I've seen, extra gift bags and bows, ribbons and strings. These are a few of my cluttering things. All of my snackware that have no more lids, dishes with dry food left there by my kids, odds and ends that overflow my junk drawer. I just can't stand all this stuff anymore. Unused appliances, pots, pans, and bakeware. Someday I promise I'll use my bread maker. All of the china sets passed down to me. These have created the clutter you see. When I feel blue, when I'm stressed out too, I search these sale ads. Then simply go shopping just for a few things, and that makes me feel less sad. Shirts with moth holes and socks with no pairs, empty shoe boxes and clips for my hair. This makeup sample expired last spring. These are a few of my cluttering things. My exercise bike hidden under my clothes. That unknown smell is offending my nose. Broken clothes hangers and old shopping bags. All of this clutter is making me mad. Rusted old tools, dried paint in these cans, tons of Allen wrenches and this broken fan, this box of cables, these books that you see. These piles of clutter are stressful to me. When the clutter grows, that's when I know I need help really bad. I'll call in a pro, all this clutter must go, and then I will feel so glad.
Go. Oh, sorry. Whoop. Looper. Hey, Bill.
Hi.
Do you want to do that again?
I can't get my hands to work and my brain to work at the same time. And that comes in on grows.
Okay.
When the clutter grows, when the clutter grows, that's when that's when I know.
I heard over the top.
I don't know where we're
Take
at.
number 39.
Okay. Right after clutter, just make it pop right open.
Okay.
Can you hear it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All of this clutter is... You didn't open it in time.
Were you stuck?
Yes.